Hello everyone, I am Sai Singh from Das Technology. Today I will show you the demonstration of our medium model jalebi making machine. So the model we have, this is the medium model jalebi making machine with the production capacity of 1200 pieces per hour near about. So the machine works on single phase 220 volt and 110 volt. So we have both machines ready stock 110 and 220. So the machine runs on the single phase and it only consumes 200 watts of power. And the gas connection of the oil tray is the LPG gas, and with the temperature control that is synchronized with the machine. The machine size is 43 inch by 43 inch and the height is 45 inch, and the oil tray size is near about 36 inch by 36 inch. So that is the material hopper. In that you can put near about 7 to 8 kg of ready material, and you can make 1 inch to 4 inch big jalebi in this machine. So that is pre-installed in the machine. So you have to only select this size and press the start button of the machine. And you can also make the jalebi thick and thin. We give various type of nozzles like 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm and 7 mm with this spare part of the machine. So please enjoy the video, like, share and comment. Thank you. You can all see how the perfect jalebi is made out of the machine. Now the jalebi is ready for frying and dipped into the sugar.